The Gan Pyraminx is Gan's first Pyraminx, and it comes in 3 versions: Standard, Explorer, and Enhanced. Today, I will be reviewing the Enhanced version, the best and most expensive. The Enhanced Gan Pyraminx is $26 on CubesEZ, about £20. The price is a lot compared to a lot of Pyraminxes, but not a whole lot compared to most 3x3s or bigger cubes. It's not like it's a £50 cube. It comes in a box that just says Gan Pyraminx M for magnetic, but all of the versions are magnetic. Would have been nice if Gan had differentiated the versions on the box, or, on the packaging at all. So the enhanced version of the Gan Pyraminx has 2 things that make it different from most Pyraminxes. The first is the magnets that are connected to the core. Each edge is connected to the centers by magnets, like most Pyraminxes, but they are also connected to magnets that extend out from the core. This creates a very smooth, more constantly magnetic feel than just a simple magnetic system. The magnets are pretty strong, not as strong as the Bell V1, but stronger than the Moyu and Bell V2. The next feature is that it has 3 extra sets of GES nuts. Yellow is the tightest, and purple is the loosest. Each nut also has 2 settings, 0.8 and 0.6, with 0.6 being the tighter one. I have my one on yellow and 0.6, the tightest setting, as this is still very loose, and there's not much difference between the settings. This Pyraminx weighs only 66 grams, which is very light for a Pyraminx. It is also quieter than most Pyraminxes, with a soft, less clicky noise, similar to the X-Man Bell V2. This Pyraminx is very loose and fast. It's a bit hard to control, but that's common with most Pyraminxes. It can lock up or pop sometimes, but that's only really if you have inaccurate turning. If you have accurate turning, the turning is very good, and you can turn faster than you can on most Pyraminxes. The turning is also very smooth, possibly in part due to the honeycomb design on the pieces. The turning just feels really nice, a light, smooth feel. The tips can take a while to get used to, as they are not super similar to any other Pyraminx, but once you get used to them, they're fine, nothing standout, just pretty decent tips. Overall, this Pyraminx has nothing that stands out as amazing, but it gets everything good enough. Everything is pretty good, and that makes for a really good Pyraminx. I get very good times with it. Here's a set of averages of 100 I did on different Pyraminxes I have. You can see that the Gan Pyraminx is my fastest, closely followed by my old main, the X-Man Bell V1. I think this Pyraminx is the best on the market right now. I think it fits in the most turning styles, and is the most all-round good Pyraminx on the market. If you are willing to spend the money, it is well worth it.